Chicory, Cichorium intybus, is a perennial herbaceous plant, often grown as an annual, that has been valued for its medicinal and edible properties for centuries. Although often regarded as a weed, this resilient plant offers numerous health benefits and has a significant role in traditional medicine. This video will explore various aspects of chicory, including its type, habitat, identification, common confusions, blooming period, edible uses, medicinal properties, harvesting methods, and necessary precautions. Type of plant and habitat. Chicory is a perennial plant, meaning it lives for more than 2 years. It thrives in diverse environments, including roadsides, fields, and wastelands. This plant is notably hardy, capable of growing in well-drained soils and tolerating various conditions. Its resilience and widespread presence make it a common sight in many regions. Identification and confusions. Identifying chicory is relatively straightforward. The plant can grow up to 1.5 meters tall and features a stiff, hairy stem with lobed leaves. One of its most distinctive characteristics is its bright blue flowers, which bloom from July to October. However, chicory is often confused with curly endive, Cichorium endivia, due to their similar leaf structures. The key difference lies in the leaves. Curly endive has darker curly leaves, while chicory's leaves are more lobed and less curly. Edible uses. Chicory's roots, leaves, and flowers are all edible, making it a versatile plant in the kitchen. The roots can be roasted and ground to create a coffee substitute, a practice that dates back to times of coffee shortages. The leaves, though slightly bitter, can be added to salads or cooked as greens, and the flowers can serve as a colorful garnish. These culinary uses not only add nutritional value, but also offer various health benefits. Medicinal uses. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailments or diseases. I recommend consulting with a healthcare professional that is knowledgeable about complementary medical care prior to starting anything new. Chicory is renowned for its extensive medicinal properties. It acts as a sedative and analgesic, with teas made from its roots or leaves, helping to alleviate anxiety and pain. Its antibacterial and antifungal compounds make it effective for treating infections and skin issues. Chicory also has antiparasitic properties, making it useful in treating intestinal parasites and even malaria. Additionally, chicory supports liver health and aids in treating gallbladder disorders by promoting bile production and functioning as a natural detoxifier. For individuals with diabetes, chicory helps regulate blood sugar levels. Its high inulin content improves digestion and alleviates constipation, making it a valuable plant for managing digestive problems. Moreover, a poultice made from chicory leaves can treat ulcers, skin eruptions, and reduce inflammation. Harvesting chicory. Harvesting chicory requires careful identification to avoid confusing it with other plants. The roots should be harvested in the fall when they are most potent, while the leaves and flowers can be picked throughout the growing season. Proper harvesting ensures the plant retains its medicinal and nutritional properties. Precautions and warnings. Despite its numerous benefits, chicory should be used with caution. It can cause contact dermatitis in some individuals and may lead to skin irritations to some if taken internally. Pregnant women should avoid chicory as it can stimulate menstruation and potentially cause complications. Additionally, chicory can interfere with beta blockers, so individuals on such medication should consult with a healthcare provider before use. Chicory is a remarkable plant with a rich history of medicinal and edible uses. Its resilience and versatility make it a valuable addition to any natural remedy repertoire, particularly for those interested in alternative medicinal options without the side effects modern medications can cause. Understanding its identification, benefits, and precautions ensures that this powerful plant can be used safely and effectively. Whether used as a coffee substitute, a salad ingredient, or a natural remedy, chicory remains a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy.